Hi and welcome to this visualization meditation with me, Camilla. Today's meditation, we are going to go inside ourselves for a moment to really connect to our dreams and what makes us happy. So we are going to manifest our dreams by doing meditation. So just take a nice deep breath in through your nose and just breathe out through your mouth. And now I would like you to just listen to these wind chimes and just take a moment to arrive in this moment. Just listen to this relaxing sound. And now take a nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. This is your time and your meditation practice. Just breathe. Start to really arrive in this moment. If your mind is busy, it's totally fine. Just listen to the wind chimes. And now for this meditation practice, we will be sitting down with our hands on our knees or on our lap with a nice straight back so we can be focused and alert. Now from the top of your head, start to relax. Start to relax your shoulders. Let your shoulders sink down, relax your neck. Start to relax your arms, your elbows. Relax your hands and fingers. And slowly move upwards, back to your arms, back to your elbows, your upper arms, your shoulders. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax your chest. Relax your tummy, your stomach. Let go of tension in your hips. Let go of any tension that you may feel in your legs. Relax your knees. Relax your feet and toes. Just breathe in and out through your nose. And now start to visualize some grounding energy from Mother Earth is now slowly entering the soles of your feet and slowly travels up through your legs, your knees, up through your hips, into your stomach, up to your chest, into your heart space, into your arms, up to your shoulders, and slowly travels up into your whole face. So all this grounding energy is now entering your whole body. Keep breathing in through your nose, out through your nose. Be aware of the breath. Remember, it's okay to think if you have already been thinking of anything else than meditation. It's totally fine. Just return to your breath again. Every time the mind wanders, just return to your breath. Now deep belly breathing. Breathe in through your nose all the way down to your belly. Just feel the belly expand as you breathe in. And as you exhale, the belly deflates. Keep going, deep belly breathing. Now as you feel this grounding energy from Mother Earth, maybe you can notice as you are sitting down maybe on a chair or yoga mat or the floor, just feel the sensations that you're sitting down, that your body is relaxed, you're in a safe place, that you are one with this awareness. And also, if the mind is busy, just breathe in and breathe out. Return to your breath. Start to notice the mind and the nature of the mind when it starts to wandering off. Remember, you are the awareness. You are not your thoughts. Thoughts are only like clouds on the sky. They are just coming and going. Just breathe in and breathe out. Remember, you're safe in this environment, in this space of pure softness and awareness. And now from this space of awareness, we are now going to create and also visualize our dream life. What will drive us to going to make our dreams come true. Start to visualize this. Think of something that you want to achieve in the next 12 months and really see this inside your mind now, like a movie. Could be anything that you want to achieve. Maybe you want to travel somewhere. Maybe you want to have another job. Maybe you want to have more freedom. Maybe you want to have more abundance in your life. Maybe you want to meet up with your twin flame or the love of your life. Could be anything. Maybe you want to meet your soul tribe. When you are visualizing this, start to really make this big by seeing the colors. Just breathe in. Maybe you can smell how this environment smells and see these vibrant colors. Maybe you can hear the sounds if you're traveling. Maybe you can hear the ocean. Maybe hearing the people talking in your soul tribe. Could be anything. Start to make this really big and really colorful. Start to embrace this feeling that you have when you are in this environment. Start to really breathe into this moment and start to visualize this even bigger and brighter. And now what I want you to do, keep your eyes closed, just breathe into this vibration of this visualization. Start to really feel this emotion. Start to really breathe into this vibrant energy. Just breathe in and out. And ask yourself, what can you do today that can make you move towards your dream life? Could be anything. Doesn't have to be that you have to move somewhere today or anything like that. Just a simple thing. Just ask yourself, and now move this lovely image that you have in your mind all the way down to your heart space. Start to really, really feel this buzz from this visualization, from this memory, because we are now creating it as it is a memory. Start to really breathe in and breathe out. Feel this vibrant feeling. And now what I want you to do is just thinking of someone that you love. Could be your family, could be parents, boyfriend, girlfriend, a pet. Could be anyone. Just think of this person and just think how much you love them. Just feel this softness and this love inside your body, inside your heart. And now let this loving feeling just blast out into the whole universe. You can visualize it as a just light beam coming out from your heart and just blasting all this loving energy all around in the universe. Just share this beautiful love. This beautiful, loving energy, this feeling. Beautiful. And now slowly when you're ready, slowly when you're ready, start to come back into your body. Start to just listen to the wind chimes again. That is slowly guiding you back into this present moment. Take your time. We have now shifted our consciousness. So just be gentle with yourself. Take time coming back. There's no rush. When you're ready, start to come back to your body. When you're ready, move your fingers and toes, wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, and then open your eyes. Now you have been visualizing your dream life, and to really get the most out of this meditation, practice this every morning and every night to really manifest your dream life. Thank you so much for meditating with me. I hope that you are feeling so much better, happier, and also super motivated so you can create your best life. And I hope you have a lovely day, and thank you so much. Bye.